So Natural Intelligence was founded in 2009 with the vision of simplifying decision-making. The company's leading brands, top10.com and bestmoney.com, connect millions of consumers with services and products that match their needs and interests. 50 million consumer decisions are made annually on our websites worldwide. The company's advanced technology platforms are enabling us to continually increase our scale and serve more and more consumers with more brands and offer personalized experience. I'm the Chief Product Officer at the company, leading the product unit with its 60 employees. From different disciplines, we have the product management, of course, product design, product operations, QA, content managers. And we're responsible to define, to execute both the consumer-facing products like our brands, top10.com and Best Money, but also our internal platforms that enable us to do the A/B test experiments, to personalize our service. So there are two different groups of products. What we're most passionate about is creating the matching between consumer who's looking for a service or a product to the most relevant and suitable one for him or her. It can be the right life insurer or home security system or the right diet plan for the consumer. So we are constantly trying to make our website as accessible as possible. But it is difficult to find a solution that both helps consumer with accessibility issues to use our sites and have an overall positive impact on the site's performance. The UserWay widget is the first accessibility widget that achieved both of those things on our website. We researched several accessibility widget providers, and none of these solutions were able to provide the compliance and accessibility level that we were looking for without harming our site performance metrics. UserWay is the only solution that we tried and helped us to achieve compliance for our clients and provided positive impact on our website with results that we didn't expect could actually occur. Initially, we approached UserWay in order to make our site accessible and compliant for people with disabilities. But after the first few months we tried it, we saw improvement across the important metrics such as EPC, EPV, click-through rate, and bounce rate. The widget not only provides us with compliance, but also helps achieve improved growth. The overall improvement is in the site's performance, plus the good karma and credibility of having an accessible website. For example, we saw the following results. The click-through rate increased by 1%, the bounce rate metric decreased by 0.5%, the earning per click metric increased by 2.4%, and the earning per visitor increased by 3.5%. These are results we didn't expect to see from this type of solution, so obviously we were pleasantly surprised. So as mentioned, the initial plan was to achieve compliance, but over time we saw additional unexpected positive results in our metrics and really fell in love with the product and the team. That being said, it goes without saying that we will continue testing UserWay's solutions on more and more of our sites, and it will become a crucial piece of our growth strategy.